Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2016 Dutchman. Fifth wheel, nice fifth wheel for an older fifth wheel, but new floors in it. There's the power awning, all the amenities that you expect, the power jacks and all that good stuff. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you more. Okay, here we go, folks. We're inside, and you can see the ambiance here. Really nice, very clean. With the dinette, with the chairs, the matching chairs. So I like that. You can adjust big, small people, what have you. Nice couch, two nice recliners, big windows. They're tall windows. Smaller on the smaller side as far as the TV goes, but there's a fireplace also that comes in handy. Lots of counter space, oven, microwave, lots of cabinets close by. You can see what's going on in them. Nice fridge and freezer, smaller side, but it will be functioning just fine. Let's go in the bedroom here, and as you can see, big nice king size bed, folks. Nice closet. I mean, closets everywhere. You got the fantastic fans in there. Helps out. Washer and dryer hookup. Pretty nice setup if that's your cup of tea. So really nice. Look at them floors all over. Less carpet than usual, which is nice to have. There's a lot of information here going on this coach. So let's go outside and show you more. All right, so here we go. We're outside the Grand Junction here. Very nice. On the driver's side, slides, they got the toppers on them already, so that will save you on cost. Absolutely. Nice basement. You got the outside shower. This coach keeps going on and on. There is a lot of information available. Just give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.